You either feel or think you can't lose it all for the fact that you've gotten so comfortable in the life and situation that you have. So when you lose it, you don't know what to do, where to go, or what to even think. For the fact that you haven't prepared yourself for if something was to change in your life. Even if you had a previous life that was hard, that was rough, that was difficult. But what happens is you can get settled, life can get better. And once you get settled with that better life, you forget about all the struggles, all the things that you've gone through, all the things that you never want to get to again. So understand that whenever you sit into that comfortable life, it makes you forget everything that you've experienced. And I'm not going to say that you forget it. It's so deep in your mind that you can't even remember it. It almost seems like another life. It seems like something that happened in another time or a past life or whatever, right? So I'm telling you today, don't get so comfortable with the life that you have that you forget the life that you had, or you forget that the life that's possible to have that can come from that comfort. So prepare today. Tell yourself, do things that you need to do to be able to help your future self. Because without helping your future self, you're going to end up falling back in the past, or you're going to end up in a worse situation because you didn't do anything about the situation that you're currently experiencing. Never get comfortable. Never settle. Always know that it's always room for improvement. It's always room for growth. It's always opportunity to help you to become the individual and person that you need to be. This is Victor. All the time I have for today. I'm out.